Hello guys, do you want to know more about the supercharged power bank in energy storage industry? So today let's explore the integrated outdoor energy storage cabinet which is developed by Poilt Technology. This energy storage cabinet adopts compact top and bottom layout design which is cleverly save up to 30% of floor area
compared to the left and right layout structures of the AC and DC sides, and has a very high space utilization rate.
The lower half of the cabinet is equipped with 5 sets of high-performance battery modules on the DC side, using long-life LFP batteries as a core, supplemented by high-reliability battery management system which is BMS. Through active balancing technology, not only does it significantly extend the battery life, but it also ensures the overall safety of the system. In addition, we have adopted advanced thermal management technology, paired with an independent fire protection system, and an IP54 protection level, which is suitable for outdoor deployment. We will provide comprehensive protection for energy storage. The upper part is equipped with Poilt's own energy management system, which is EMS, which seamlessly integrates with the Poilt's microgrid system to achieve efficient coordinate control in complex microgrid environments. At the same time, the power conversion system, which is PCS, integrated with high voltage box, performs efficient bi-directional AC and DC conversion of electrical energy. So, what are we benefit from the energy storage cabinet? It can release the energy during the high demand of energy uses and store the extra energy during the low demand time. So it can accurately regulate the balance of the energy demand and supply. In addition, energy storage system can significantly improve energy utilization efficiency, help enterprises achieve more economical electricity consumption patterns, effectively eliminate power outages, and achieve the dual goal of cost reduction and efficiency improvement. Overall, the Poilt's PLER125261G integrated outdoor energy storage cabinet provides the perfect solution of your energy storage needs with excellent performance.